Hi, I'm Dan. This is my MBX80 project. It started off life, it was a 1984 model, pretty tired, but it was a runner. It needed a lot of love and attention. So we shipped it back to bare frame, and what we've got here today is it now as a rolling chassis. Frame's been powder coated, swing arm powder coated. Got lots of new zinc plated bolts, new old stock rear shock, all this Pro linkages, they're all hand sprayed. We've got new swing arm bushes in there. On the rear wheel, hand sprayed drum brake cover and hub as well, which is very difficult to spray actually. Model identification plate re-riveted back on, make it look a bit more factory. Up to the front of the bike, taper head race bearings fitted, yoke spray painted, new stanchions, new oil seals. The lower fork is wire-walled and polished. Disc rotors are just T-cutted, make them look nice and shiny again. Obviously new zinc plated bolts there as well. Had lots of other stuff done recently. There's more zinc in there, more bolts. Bodywork repainted. For more information, check out my blog, which is www.mbx80.co.uk. Find us on Facebook, also MBX80, and also on Facebook, Honda M Club UK, just for other owners' restorations, but not just the MBX, but also for Honda MB, Honda MT, Honda MTX as well. Cheers.